Very good morning, class. Yes, so now take out your maths book and now open the page number is 87. This is chapter 10, comparison of numbers less than, greater than or equals to. Right? Yes. So this is number grid 1 to 100. So we have learned counting numbers from 1 to 100. Right? Yes. So left to right, the number increasing 1 2 3 4 5 6, and now above to below the number increasing, right? So if we check 26 or 21, so which one is greater? So if we go left to right, so 21 or 26, which one is greater? 21 is smaller or 26 is greater, right? Yes. So rule number 1 is, if we move from left to right, in the number grid, we move from smaller to greater, right? छोटे से बड़े की तरफ ये बढ़ रहा है, right? If let us compare 48 and 41, right? So you can see that 48 lies to the right of 41, so 48 is the greater. If we check 26 or 79, so which one is greater? This is 26, is the 76. So if we move from left to right, then the number increasing, 79 is greater, right? Yes. So now let's start exercise. So now see the exercise. Open the page number 88 in your book and do this work in your maths copy also. Yes. So this is the symbol of greater than, this is the symbol of less than, and in or equals to this, right? So if we compare 9 and 29, so 9 or 29, which one is greater? There is 1 digit number and there is 2 digit number, so 29 is greater, so this symbol is used. Now we compare 36 and 57. This is 2 digit number and this is 2 digit number. So now we compare first digit number, 3 or 5. So 3 or 5, which one is greater? 5. So 57 is greater than 36. 86 and 33, which one is greater? There is 2 digit number and there is 2 digit number. So now comparing only first digit number, 8 or 3. If you have 8 apples and if you have 3 apples, which one has more apples? 8 apples. Yes, so 8 is greater. Now next, 94 or 75. So there is 2 digit number and there is 2 digit number. So comparing first digit number, 7 or 9. 9 is greater or 7 is greater? 9. Yes. So 94 is greater than 75. Now 26 or 46. Now comparing first digit number, 2 or 4. So if you have two mangoes and if other one has 4 apples, so which one has more apples? 4, right? Yes. So 4 is greater than 2. So 46 is greater than 26. Now 85 and 81. 81 and 85. There is 2 digit number and there is 2 digit number. And first digit is same. So now we check second digit. 5 or 1. So 5 is greater or 1 is greater? 5 is greater. So 85 is greater than 81. Now we compare 70 or 29. So now comparing first digit number, 7 or 2. So 7 is greater. So this symbol is used. Now we compare 31 and 98. If we compare first digit number 9 or 3, so 9 is greater, so 98 is greater than 31. Next, look at the numbers 32 or 36. There is 2 digit number, there is 2 digit number. Now comparing first number 3 or 3, 3 is same. Now we compare second digit 2 or 6. So 6 is greater or 2 is greater? 6, yes. So 36 is greater than 32. 6, 9 or 16? 6, 9 is greater? Yes. So this symbol is used. 54 or 14? If I have 14 pens and if you have 54 pens, then which one has more pens? (54). And now comparing, there is 2 digit number and there is 2 digit number. If we compare first digit number 1 or 5, if you have one toffee, but I have 5 toffees, so which one has more? 5. 54 is greater. 19 or 11? 19 is greater. 15 or 55? Comparing first digit number, because there is 2 digit number and there is 2 digit number. So 1 is greater or 5? 5. So yes. Now we compare 47 and 13. If both side 2 digit number, then comparing only first digit number. If first digit number is same, so now we check second number. So there is comparing only first digit number 4 or 1. So 4 is greater, so 47 is greater than 13. Now 97 and 77. So comparing only first digit, 7 or 9, 9 is greater or 7 is greater? 9 is greater, so 97 is greater than 77. Now if we check 24 or 73, so which one is greater? 73. Very good. Now next, if we check 77, 73, so there is same number, right? So 70. Now we compare first digit only, then both sides same digit, 7, 7. Now we check second digit, 7 or 3. 3 is more or 7 is more? 7 is more. So there is this symbol. 11, 18. If you have 11 flowers and I have 18 flowers, so 18 is more, 11 is more? 18. Yes. 42 or 50? Now we compare first digit number only, 4 or 5. 5 is greater or 4 is greater? 5. Yes. Now this symbol is used. 67, 57. Second digit is same. Now comparing first digit only, so 6 or 5? 6 is greater? Yes. Now we compare 58 and 90. So 90 is greater than 50. Yes, very good. Now we compare 31 and 98. So there is 2 digit number in both sides. So now comparing only first digit, 9 or 3. So 9 is greater than 3 because 9 is 3 times of 3. Right? Yes. Yes. So thank you so much class and have a nice day.